We are confident
tuko na ujasiri
in God.
kwa Mungu.
We are confident in who?
God.
We are confident in who?
God.
That's why today I want to teach you something small
Ndio maana leo tutajifundisha jambo ndogo
about the nature of God,
kuhusu hali ya Mungu,
the basis of our faith.
ambayo pia ni mahali pa imani yetu.
Hiyo ndio ground ya imani yetu. So tell your neighbor the nature of God.
Hali ya Mungu.
The nature of who?
God.
That's the reason for our faith.
Hiyo ndio msingi wa imani yetu.
God
Mungu
is different
ni tofauti
from what you always think.
kabla na ile ambayo huwa unafikiria.
Some people don't think about God in good light.
Wengine hawafikirii Mungu katika mwanga mzuri.
Some people think God is punishing them.
Wengine wanafikiria Mungu anawagandamiza.
God does not love them.
Mungu hawapendi.
God does not provide for them.
Mungu hawapi bila vitu ambavyo wanahitaji.
But today,
Lakini siku ya leo
I want to show you
nipata kuwaonyesha
the true nature of God.
ile hali halisi ya Mungu.
Say the nature of God, the basis of my faith. When you rely
Unapotegemea
on the nature of God
katika ile hali ya Mungu
as the basis for your faith,
kama msingi wa imani yako,
you will not depend
hautategemea
on your feelings,
katika vile ambavyo unahisi,
on your emotions.
hisia zako.
Most people,
Watu wengi
they praise God
wanamtukuza Mungu
when their feelings
wanapokuwa na hisia
are okay.
ambazo ni nzuri.
Your emotions,
Zile hisia
you are feeling happy,
vile wanahisi
you
wakiwa
are
na
feeling
furaha,
nice.
wanahisi wakiwa vizuri.
There are people who praise God
Kuna watu wanamtukuza Mungu
when they have food on the table.
wakiwa na chakula katika meza,
But when there's no food on the table,
lakini kama hawana chakula
they don't believe God.
hawamwamini Mungu,
They don't praise God.
hawamtukuzi Mungu,
They don't thank God.
hawamshukuru Mungu.
There are also people
Kuna watu wengine
who
pia
thank God
ambao wanamshukuru Mungu
when they see improvement
wanapoona kuwa
after prayer.
wanapoona kuwa kuna mabadiliko baada ya maombi.
I pray,
Wameomba,
I feel some improvement.
anahisi kuna kitu ambacho
I know God is working.
anajua Mungu anafanya kitu.
Those are people of feeling.
Hao ni watu wa hisia.
Tell them, never don't base your faith on the improvement after prayer. Rather, base your faith on the promise of God. That's why I sang your song last Sunday saying, standing on the promises of God, my King. Glory to the highest, I shout and sing. Standing on the promises of God. Trust God, even when things are not working your way. Trust God, even when you don't understand what is happening. Hallelujah. You know, God
Najua Mungu
has infinite understanding.
ana ufahamu ambao hawezi kufika
He
mwisho.
understands everybody.
Anaelewa kila
He
mmoja,
understands everything.
anaelewa kila kitu.
So his brain,
Kwa hivyo akili
so to
yake
speak,
kama
can
tunasema,
understand everybody.
yaweza kuelewa
But
kila
our
kitu,
brain
lakini akili
cannot
zetu
understand everything.
haiwezi elewa kila
So
kitu.
believe him,
Kwa hivyo mwamini yeye
even when you don't understand.
hata kama hauelewi.
Do you have everything?
Je, uko na kila kitu?
Still believe him.
Lakini mwamini tu.
Did you hear what I said, somebody? Say the nature of God. Say it one more time. Say it one more time. Is put in my faith. The basis of my faith. What's the ground of your faith? What's the ground of your faith?
Siku ya imani yako.
What's the reason for your faith? The nature of who? The nature of who? Some people
Watu wengine
have faith
wako na imani
in what they're doing.
kwa kila ambacho wanafanya.
I'm helping people,
Nasaidia watu.
so I know God will help me.
Kwa hivyo najua Mungu
You
atanisaidia.
are not trusting in God's nature.
Wewe hawaamini ile hali ya Mungu.
Some people
Watu wengine
believe I work hard,
wanasema kwa
so
wanafanya
God will
bidii,
reward me.
kwa hivyo Mungu atanipea zawadi.
believe more in the nature of God.
Amini zaidi ile hali ya Mungu.
And the first thing I want you to know,
Jambo la kwanza ningependa mjue,
God Almighty
Mungu mkuu
cannot change.
hawezi badilika.
He said he changes not.
Anasema habadiliki.
I am the Lord your God.
Mimi ni Mungu
I
wako.
change not.
Sibadiliki.
Tell somebody he changes not. Say he changes not. Elohim does not change.
Elohim habadiliki.
I say he changes not.
Habadiliki.
Give me the book of Malachi 3:6. Say he changes not.
Habadiliki.
Can we read together somebody? 1, 2, 3. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. The reason why we are not destroyed
Sababu ambayo hatujaribika
is not because of what you have been doing
si kwa sababu ya kila kitu ambacho unafanya
or what you have failed to do.
ama kile ambacho haujafanya.
It is because
Kwa sababu
our God does not change.
Mungu wetu habadiliki.
Hebrews chapter 13 verse 8.
Ibrania
He is the same today.
ni yeye leo.
He is the same today.
Yesterday, today, and forever.
I didn't hear you. He is the same yesterday. He is the same yesterday. Tell remember he changes not. Number 1.
Jambo la
God does not change.
Mungu habadiliki.
In James 1 verse 17,
Katika Yakobo 1:17
God will do everything that he promised.
Mungu atafanya kila kitu ambacho aliahidi.
What did God promise you?
Mungu alikuahidi nini?
Tell remember God will do it for you.
Mungu atakufanyia.
Everything that he promised you,
Kila jambo ambalo
God
alikuahidi
will do it for you.
Mungu atakufanyia.
Can we read it together right here? 1, 2, 3, and there we go. Whatever is good and perfect comes down to us from God our Father, who created all the lights in the heavens. He never changes or casts a shifting shadow. Tell remember he never changes. Say he never changes. He never changes. He will do all things that concerns me today. I didn't hear you well. Number 2,
Jambo la pili,
God cannot fail. That is the nature of God. Tell your neighbor, God cannot fail.
Mungu hawezi shindwa.
Did he promise anything?
Si alikuahidi
God cannot fail.
Mungu hawezi shindwa.
Job 42 verse 2. Say, no one can stop my God. And if no one can stop my God,
Kama hakuna yote anaweza
and
kumzuia
I am the seed of God,
na mimi ni mbegu ya Mungu,
that means
inamaanisha
I'm also unstoppable.
pia mimi hakuna mtu anaweza
So I can
kumzuia.
boldly say,
Naweza kusema kwa
no
ujasiri,
one will stop me.
hakuna yote
So let me hear
atanizuia.
your confession now. Let me hear your own confession of faith. If it is true, no one can stop God,
Kama ni ukweli hakuna mtu anaweza kumzuia,
and you have the divine nature of God in you,
na uko na hali ya Mungu ndani yako,
it means
inamaanisha
once I am the seed of God,
kama mimi ni mbegu ya Mungu,
no one can stop me.
hakuna mtu anaweza kunizuia.
First Chronicles 28 verse 20. Say, God cannot fail. God will not fail me.
Mungu hawezi shindwa.
Let's read this together. First Chronicles 28 verse 20.
Tusome kwa
1, 2, 3.
Then David continued,
Uh-huh.
be strong and courageous,
Uh-huh.
and do the work.
And do the work. Don't be afraid or discouraged. For the Lord God, my God, is with you. He will not fail you or forsake you. And he will see to it that all the work related to the temple is finished. Correct? Hallelujah. Tell your neighbor, God will not fail you. Just do the work. Just be courageous. God will ensure that everything about you is correctly done. So don't be discouraged.
Kwa hivyo usishwe moyo.
Tell them, don't be discouraged. Don't be afraid. Why do we say don't be discouraged? God does not use soldiers who are discouraged.
Mungu hatumii wale majeshi ambao wameshushwa.
Tell somebody, God does not use soldiers who are discouraged. Are you discouraged in life? If you are discouraged,
Kama umeshushwa moyo,
God cannot use you.
Mungu hawezi kukutumia.
Do you want God to use you?
Je, ungependa Mungu akutumie?
Do you want God to use you?
Yes.
Do you want God to lift you?
Nataka mtu akuwa kweli.
Don't be afraid.
Usikuwe na uoga.
Don't be discouraged.
Usishushe moyo.
Tell them, stay calm and fight it through. Say, in the face of battle, in the face of opposition, I didn't hear you well. In the face of opposition, in the face of battle, in the face of name calling, abuses, rejection, stay calm. Tell them, stay calm. Don't panic. You know, many people, their life is on the panic. The gear they are in is on panic. They are always on a panic mode. God can change my story.
Mungu anaweza kubadilisha hadithi yako.
He can change my story.
Anaweza kubadilisha hadithi
But
yako.
he can also change your story.
Anaweza kubadilisha hadithi
I
yako.
said, God can change your story.
Mungu anaweza kubadilisha hadithi yako.
It is not yet over
Haijaisha.
until God says it is
Hadi
over.
Mungu aseme imeisha.
It is not yet finished
Haijakamilika.
until God says it is
Hadi
finished.
Mungu aseme
I
imekamilika.
am not finished.
Hajamaliza.
I am not yet over.
Hajamalizika.
I cannot expire.
Hawezi isha.
I don't know about you,
Sijui
but
kuhusu.
preaching like you believe it, so you cannot expire now.
Siwezi isha sasa.
No.
I'm just started.
We are around.
Yeah.
I said we are around.
Yeah.
We are around for a big break.
Tuko hapa kwa mambo makuu.
We are around for a big break.
Tuko hapa kwa mambo makuu.
And for our children,
Kwa watoto wetu.
they are in
Pia wako
for something big,
kwa mambo
for
makuu.
something mega.
Mambo makuu.
In this land,
Katika
it
nchi
will happen.
lazima
In
ifanyike.
Jesus'
Katika
name.
jina la Yesu.
In Jesus'
Katika
name.
jina la Yesu.
In Jesus' name.
Jina la Yesu.
Don't be discouraged yet.
Usishushe moyo sasa.
Don't give up yet.
Usife moyo sasa.
So don't give up on God, because they would give up on you. And then they say, He's able. He's able. God is able to do what He said He will do. Number 2,
Jambo la pili,
we say,
nimesema
you will not fail.
hawezi shindwa.
Number 3,
Jambo la tatu,
you will not lie.
hawezi danganya.
Do you agree with me?
Je, tunakubaliana na
Say,
mchungaji?
do you agree with me?
Je, tunakubaliana na
Do
mchungaji?
you agree with me? Be lifted, our land of God.